Getting a day out of school and on the water, it wasn't hard to get these 8th graders from New River Middle School on board with this assignment.
I'm excited, a little nervous.
Researchers from Nova Southeastern University are taking them to tag sharks and teaching them every step of the process.
I'm going to put this through the loop.
From baiting the hook to dropping the weight.
All the way in the water, nailed it.
Then waiting for something to bite. They learn about the importance of collecting data and conserving this species.
When we talk about conservation, really we need to start with the students. We need to start with the kids. They're the ones that are going to have the long-term impact on what's going on.
Derek Burkholder leads this outreach program for NSU. Since 2014, the university has taken nearly 7,000 people from schools and community groups out on shark tagging trips. Burkholder says anyone who starts the day apprehensive quickly turns around once they reel one in.
There you go, nice smile.
Soon, students are jumping at the chance to pet and pose with a shark.
That catch was awesome. That was like my biggest dream.
Students get to tag, measure, and collect tissue samples. And on this day, they caught a nurse and a lemon shark.
They just get to kind of see, science in action and not just, oh, here's a video or, oh, here's a textbook. This could be a potential job.
It's a full circle moment for Ashton Galarno, who was a graduate student at NSU's Oceanographic Center when the program started. Now she's a marine science teacher at New River Middle School, bringing her students on these trips. She offers extra credit for giving the bait a kiss and says there's nothing like seeing aspiring marine biologists get this hands-on experience.
I want to be a marine biologist that studies sharks. It's always been like a really big dream for me to see one and experience it.